This is how you know it's been a while since you've been fishing. Let's load up the boat with a few items and go float around a little bit. See if the leaves won't flow out. Heading down the road. Let's load up and go. Well, before we get to it, we had some errands to run. To go out to the deer stand, I had to replace the feeder lid. Look at what all the squirrels have done to it. Went ahead and pulled the head to the feeder. Deer season's out. We got 2 in the freezer. Didn't really film much this season. I filmed early on, but there wasn't much exciting happening. But let's get back. See what we got to fish with. Put the boat in the water. Enjoy a nice day out here. Even though it's gonna be 57 today, look at that. We got ice on the edges. It's gonna make it tough. But like I said, it's gonna be too pretty of a day just to be sitting on the couch here in late January in Northeast Georgia. Hi guys, I did bring this month's mystery tackle box. They're in a new box. Look at that right there. I've got loads of unopened boxes of these because, as you saw at the beginning of this video, I ain't been fishing in a while. But maybe we can find something in here that will catch a bass today. If not, I got a panther martin and some little jigs. Maybe the crappie will be biting there, but let's get into this box and see if we can find something that we think will be biting here. January is awfully light box. A white jig head there. Let's see what we're gonna pair it with. A little sample. How many's in there? 3? Not even 4? A 3-pack. Real Screamers, 3.5 inch. We're gonna pair that, I bet, with this Hack Attack, the 1/4 ounce. Ooh, the wind's picking up. Made by Strike King in Costa Rica. All right, probably won't be fishing with this rattle trap here. Sinking, tight wobble, 2.5 inch length, 1/2 ounce. Probably won't be fishing with that. Let's see, we could pin this with that jig head there. G-Rat Baits Thin Swim, 4 inch, 1/4 ounce, 5 pieces. We got some hooks. We've got a sticker. Gin Tattoos. It's more of a Whopper Plopper Summer tattoo. That's weird. Not too thrilled with this box. Maybe we'll fish with it. Maybe we won't. Maybe we'll just go see if we can catch some crappie. Either way, let's get in the boat, start floating around, and see what happens. Your neighborhood Tucker doesn't mind that the water temp is 45 degrees. Whew. It's gonna be a tough one today. Let's see what we can do. Alright guys, let's start off with this Panther Martin here. Just cruise around, retrieve it real slow, see what happens. Alright guys, I'm going to turn you off and turn you on if anything exciting happens. I think that one, guys. It's a nice one. Oh, it's gonna be tough to land this one. It's a big old bass. Yeah, big old bass. Come here. It's gonna be tough, I know. Get my net. Got my net. I see you, I see you, I see you. Calm down. Come here. The world wants to see you. It's gonna be tough. Oh, there you are. Can I get you in the net? Can I interest you into the net? This is the time of year that you catch the big ones, boys and girls. Look at that. Oh, oh, Panther Martin gets it done again. There you go. I think I've got a scale. .22 pounds. All right. All right. Say bye to her. Just like that. Well, that was exciting. 3.2 pounds, late January. She did not put up much of a fight because she was cold. Light line, ultralight rod, getting it done. Better than being on the couch. And if you're curious, 40-degree weather. Got another one, guys. This one's got a little bit more fat in him. Yeah, thank you for the quick release. Wasn't that big. There's a little half-pounder. Had back-to-back bites right here. Turn you guys on, see if you guys can get in on the action. There he is. Oh. That's a fish. I'm dragging over somebody's old line or something. Sliding up it, make it seem like a bite. We'll see, this is the fourth cast. I'll say it was a fish. Ooh, I need some oil on this reel. All right, guys, another nice one. Hold on. I couldn't get to my net. That was, I don't think it was, I don't know. Yeah, that scene was a little bit more chaotic. Couldn't get my net. She took off under the boat right about the time I was going back. Trolling motor was making us go in circles, and she broke off. Oh, she might have been, I didn't get much of a glimpse at her. I don't know if it's picked up on camera. She might have been bigger than the first one. We'll see. Let's tie on another Panther Martin and see if we can't get some more. Old Panther getting it done today. There you go. That's definitely not the size that broke me off. Where are you? I don't think you're all that big, but you could fool me. tab. My last 3-dot panther though, so I'm not taking any chances. There you are. You splashed me. Just like that. Oh, drag. Dang, they are stacked and feeding right here, aren't they? Another little bite. Let it GoPro died. Oh, just caught one. Gotta go get a battery out of the vehicle. Look at that fin up there. Eesh. There's a spell there, they were biting non-stop. They get slacked off now though. Alright, turn you guys on if anything exciting happens. Alright, a little halftime check-in here. I've circled the whole pond with this Panther Martin. We're gonna head back to the only place where I got some bites and we're catching them, so stay tuned. Well, there you have it, guys. What I expected not to catch any fish, just come out and get outside for a little bit, turned into a good little fishing trip. It was about a 30-40 minute span there where the bass were hitting non-stop. But I fished now for about 45 minutes after that, and the wind's picking up, temperature's dropping. It's time to get home and get by the fire. Thanks for watching, guys. Crappie season is right around the corner.